Singin in the Rain this year is going to be bigger than our last production. There's going to be a lot of people involving. Let's staff production team, teach students as actors, dancing crew, or tech team. So the more challenging part is how we work together to make the show as smooth as possible.
As one of the 4 stage managers, I lead the prop team with another girl, and we work together to help bring props to the stage, take it down, and then help actors set up props. The most challenging elements are probably organizing things and trying to split the work between every tech team that we have to lead.
I think what students gain from projects like this is really it's the teamwork and it's the collaboration and working together. Artists and students often work on their own work. They're doing their own projects and their sketchbooks. But this opportunity to come together creatively and share ideas, work on props and set design together is a really unique opportunity. I think it gets them very excited for the production, for the event.
Oh, the students are doing absolutely amazing. They're learning so many new skills and they're really rising to the challenge of getting everything ready in time.
We're currently making 4 main objects that represent our show well, which is raindrops, heads, umbrellas, like that. So all the classmates actively participate and support each other to make show set look beautiful as possible. I'm so looking forward to see our set design we've made is on the actual stage.